Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about whether it's free to get a Relay bank check. This is a question that I've been getting a lot lately, and I wanted to take some time to answer it for you. What is Relay bank? Before we get into the question of whether it's free to get a Relay bank check, let's first talk about what Relay bank is. Relay bank is a digital bank that offers checking and savings accounts, as well as a credit card. They are a relatively new bank, but they have quickly gained popularity due to their innovative features and competitive rates. Is it free to get a Relay bank check? The answer to this question is yes and no. Relay bank does not charge a fee for ordering checks. However, they do charge a fee for shipping the checks to you. The shipping fee is $5.95 for standard shipping and $14.95 for expedited shipping. How to order checks from Relay bank? If you want to order checks from Relay bank, you can do so online or by phone. To order checks online, you will need to log into your Relay bank account and click on the Order Checks tab. To order checks by phone, you will need to call Relay bank customer service at 1-800-665-9386. Relay bank pros and cons. Now that we know the answer to the question of whether it's free to get a Relay bank check, let's take a look at some of the pros and cons of using Relay bank. No monthly fees. No overdraft fees. Competitive interest rates. Easy to use online and mobile banking. Free to order checks. Free to use ATMs. No foreign transaction fees. Cons. Shipping fee for checks. Limited number of branches. Not available in all states. Overall, Relay bank is a good option for people who are looking for a free checking account with no monthly fees or overdraft fees. However, it is important to note that there is a shipping fee for ordering checks. If you are someone who frequently writes checks, this could be a downside. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new about Relay bank. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more financial tips. Call to action. If you're interested in learning more about Relay bank, I encourage you to visit their website or give them a call. They have a lot of great information on their website, and their customer service representatives are very helpful. If you're looking for a free checking account, be sure to compare offers from different banks. Some banks offer free checking accounts with no minimum balance requirements. Others offer free checking accounts with a minimum balance requirement. Be sure to choose a bank that offers the features and benefits that are important to you. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more financial tips. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new about Relay bank. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more financial tips.